Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chem510. In this video we will discuss about law of chemical compositions. So let's start the video. First law is law of conservation of mass. This law is stated by French scientist Antony Lavoisier. He carefully performed many combustion experiments, namely burning of phosphorus and mercury both in presence of air. So he observed that total mass of reactant is equal to total mass of product. Hence, the law of conservation of mass is stated by mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. So, statement of law of conservation of mass is mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Second law is law of definite proportions. This law stated by French chemist Joseph Proust. He performed experiments on two samples of cupric carbonate. In that experiment, one of the sample was natural in origin and other was in synthetic one. Here one table is given. In that natural and synthetic cupric carbonate having percentage of copper is 51.35, percentage of oxygen is 38.91 and percentage of carbon is 9.74. Both are same. So he found that composition of elements present in it was same for both the samples. Joseph Proust stated the law of definite proportion as a given compound always contain exactly the same proportion of element by the weight. So statement of law of definite proportion is a given compound always contain exactly the same proportion of element by the weight. Here third law is law of multiple proportion. This law is stated by John Dalton. When two elements A and B form more than one compound, the masses of element B that combine with the given mass of A are always in the ratio of small whole number. Here example, hydrogen combine with oxygen to form compound which is water and hydrogen peroxide. Here reaction is hydrogen plus oxygen, it gives water, then hydrogen plus oxygen, it gives hydrogen peroxide. So here it found that the two masses of oxygen, that is 60 gram and 32 gram, which combine with fixed mass of hydrogen which is 2 gram, are in the ratio of small whole number, that is 16 to 32, means 1:2 ratio. The fourth law is Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. This law stated by Gay-Lussac. He stated that when gases combine or are produced in a chemical reaction, they do so in the simple ratio by volume, provided all gas are at same temperature and pressure. Under the same condition of temperature and pressure, 100 ml of hydrogen combined with 50 ml of oxygen, it gives 100 ml of water vapor. Here reaction is given. Hydrogen in gaseous form react with oxygen in gaseous form, it form water. Hydrogen is 100 ml, oxygen is 50 ml and formed water is 100 ml. Thus the volume of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas which combine together, that is 100 ml and 50 ml, producing 2 volume of water vapor which amount to 100, bears a simple ratio 2:1:2. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share to the friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.